To the people of YouTube, hello and welcome. The initial plan was to film behind the scenes of a creative shoot, and someone had one task to do, but we'll address that later. I was inspired to create this look right here with red tones instead and make it extremely grungy and vampy. If you hear my cat in the background, well, she wants me to open the door and I'm doing a voiceover. Anyways, I realized that there's gonna be a lot of fallout, so I added powder as you can see. I started first with ColourPop's Main Squeeze palette and made sure to outline the shape I want first, then slowly building it up. Please note that I had only around 35 minutes to get the base and eyeshadow look done and leave the rest for when I arrive at the studio. I was basically alternating between two eyeshadow palettes. The first was Main Squeeze by ColourPop. The second was, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Amrezy by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I brought another one for that pop of color in the inner corner. I felt like it needed that deep pink to pull the look together. And then what? Guess what? I reached for a fourth palette, but this time it was Huda Beauty's Topaz Obsession. As you can tell, one color is never enough, so I added another metallic shade with a patting motion because I don't want to go crazy just yet. I know for a fact that I needed a third color to give me that corally undertone, so I went back to ColourPop's Main Squeeze palette and found the perfect shade, the one you see right here on the screen. After blending and smoothing the edges, you thought I was done? No, not so fast. I grabbed my ABH palette and bam! Do you see the shine? Yes, that's what I was looking for. You would say 30 minutes is a long time, but to achieve a certain look, you would need to make sure that everything is blended, especially when you're creating the shape, and in this case, a very smoked out, elongated outer corners. After tight lining, I smoked out the edges furthermore and grabbed a different brush for a detailed baby wing. Then it was time for the lower lash line. I basically repeated everything I did, including the layout of colors, but I focused more on deepening the outer corners since I wanted it to be very grungy. As I'm watching this again, silly me, I forgot to mention what's the third palette. I basically used ColourPop's fade into hue palette, and the shade, you see that pink shade, the beautiful pink shade, that's called Paradise. For the waterline, I was using ColourPop's creme gel liner in the shade Sunnyvale. I smudged it out and then went with a heavy hand because at this point I want the camera to pick up the colors like vividly. Oh my god, look at the faces I'm making. The inner corner was bugging me, so I was determined to make it blended to the gods. With so little time left, I quickly added mascara and tried to bronze up my face because I didn't want to go to the studio looking like a potato. Now, regarding the following clips.
You finished what you told me today? Yes. You want me to cook the table for you so you can send me
Yeah, I was
today?
thinking, do you want me to put to apply the paint well today? Very good.
I wanted my sister to film me finishing my makeup there, but she completely forgot. And when she finally remembered, she took a multiple of 15 seconds clips of the shoot itself. And I was like, why? Where's the interaction? The purposely angled camera, the talk, and the bloopers. Anywho, my friend right here is an outstanding photographer. Look at the level of professionalism. Like, I'm speechless.
The face?
No, no, you're gonna stain your face. I'll try to barely touch it.
No. I don't want you to touch your face.
Okay.
I want you to spread your hands all the table.
Guys, you guys. The stains. Oh my god. It's like I just had this vision and I used lipstick and I didn't realize that it's gonna stain the table and everything.
Oh God, yes.
Yes. Okay, anyone? As if I like that one in the cheek. Send that one. Show me your other finger more.
Getting permission to stain even more.
Too distorted. Aywa, I like that more. I really like this one.
And with that, we wrapped up the shoot, and on the same night, he managed to finish all the edits and just check out his work. I looked beautiful. I loved it.
Yes, that's what I wanted. Like a certain time. No, the other one.
Aywa, this is nice, right? 3, 2, 1. Look here.
I think by now I'm getting sick because the look required that I wet my hair and it was freezing cold, but I'm like, no, I stood by my vision. Hence the what?
The raspy voice.
Hence the raspy voice. Current situation, we had to stop by Mac. I needed to eat. I can't. Anyways, I don't remember what I was saying, but when we were done with the shoot, Sheko, oh god, I'm dead. Sheikha decided to take her car, something related to service or something, I don't know. They wanted to change a spare parts, programming, I don't know, something about her car. So, so here we are.
I need the lights.
Just to do the lights here. I don't want your foot to be dark, and then your face is lit. We don't want that to show